this woodpecker like right above me. He's like, go over there, man. Don't. I'm gonna get pooped on again. I know it. Okay, well, he's a little lost. But as the day goes on, we're gonna be seeing at least our cloud potential and winds picking on up. Can you guys see that? I mean, he's just flying. Okay, I'm concerned. As we get into tonight, though, we're gonna eventually see more, at least, clearing skies, but still a chance of some patchy showers that could pick up at least some heavier rain rates at times. But as we look ahead to tomorrow and into your Thursday, we're looking long term, we will be seeing some warmer weather. I'm going to try to help out this woodpecker and talk more about some clearing skies and be a little more focused. That's coming up.